What is up, you guys? It's Nay Rose here, back with another video. If you're new to my channel, what is up? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. In this video, as you can already see by the title, we are going to be doing baby hairs. I'm going to be showing you guys how I got my edges to look like this. Leave in the comments below when this video is over what you guys do to get your edges laid and slayed. I have tried multiple techniques and different products and all that, but this seems to work best for me. So let me know what you guys use, and if you try this out and it doesn't work for you, I want to know. So let's just get right into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by taking some water and my toothbrush, and I'm just pulling out the baby hairs that I want to use. I'm kind of just like roughly putting them in place, just pulling out the ones I want to use. I don't have any product on it yet, so yeah. So next I'm gonna go in with my Eco Styler gel, and I like using the olive oil one. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on my edges as like a first layer. Now you're gonna see when I put this on, I'm just like basically laying it on top of it, and it's gonna lift back up, like especially if you have curly edges like mine. Like this is not strong enough to hold it, but it's perfect for kind of just placing them down. And we're gonna go on top of it with something else after this. So next I'm going to go in with my Cream of Nature Edge Control from their Pure Honey line, and I'm going to put some on my finger and basically just lay down like a layer of it on top of where I put my baby hair. So try not to like mess up how you place them down. So then I just take my toothbrush again and basically flatten it, like press it in, and make sure it's all the way laid down how you want it. Now you could probably already tell from the first time I did it that I'm basically doing swooping motions. So I'm swooping it and then I'm bringing it straight into my ponytail, and that's how I get the shape of it. And you'll see after I do the other side that I take my spray bottle again and just kind of like wet my edges, and then I lay it down for a few minutes. It kind of just adds like extra protection. Like I can't explain it, but the water mixed with the edge control just makes it lay down flatter. Like it makes it press down flatter on my scalp. So that's why I spray it with the water. But yeah, you guys, it's like all fun and games until you do your edges and then you go out and they just lift right up as if you didn't just do them. So this is why I do these steps, like to make sure it does not go anywhere. Like I'm not coming to play, okay? So this is how I do my edges, so you guys can just continue to watch and see the results.